Very good morning to all of you. Hope all are fine. Now we start exercise 1.4. Okay. First, evaluate each of the following. First, minus 30 divided by 10. Second, 50 divided by minus 5. Third, minus 31 divided by bracket open minus 30 plus bracket open minus 1 bracket close. And fourth is minus 6 plus 5 bracket close divided by minus 2 plus 1. See this. First question is there, minus 30 divided by 10. Minus 30 divided by 10. So minus 30 upon 10. 10 3 ja 30 plus minus minus. Second question is there, 50 divided by minus 5. So 50 divided by minus 5. 5 10 ja 50 and plus minus minus. Third is there, minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1 and bracket. So we use BODMAS formula, minus 31 divided by bracket open minus 30 plus minus minus. This minus 31 divided by minus 30 minus 1 minus minus plus 30 plus 1 31 and divided by minus 31. 31 divided by minus 31, it will become 1 minus minus plus. So main thing you should remember that same sign R plus means plus 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 minus minus plus, and opposite sign are minus. Plus minus 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 plus minus. This is the basic concept you should remember in divide and multiplication. No need to see which value is greater, but in addition subtraction you see first plus minus minus or minus plus minus or same sign are plus opposite sign are minus, then you see which value is greater. Okay, rest question is your homework. C, D, E, F is your homework. Now question number second, verify that A divided by bracket open B plus C bracket close is not equal to bracket open A divided by B bracket close plus bracket open A divided by C bracket. For each of the following value of A, B, C, you have to verify this. This is given. First, A equal to 12, B equal to minus 4, C equal to 2. So A divided by B, see this. Given, you have to verify this. A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay. Value given means, what is the value of A? A is 12, B is minus 4 and C is 2. You have to substitute these value A, B, C in given value, means A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. A is 12 divided B is minus 4 and C is plus 2, not equal. A is 12 divided by B is minus 4 plus A divided by C. A is 12 divided by C is 2. 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. This is addition, plus minus minus. 4 minus 2, 2. Which value is greater? 4. With sign minus. Is not equal. 12 divided by 4. 4 3 ja 12 and plus minus minus. Plus 2 divided by 12. 12 divided by 2 how much? 6. So 12 divided by minus 2 is not equal to minus 3 plus 6. 12 divided by minus 2, that is minus 6, is not equal to 3. So minus 6 LHS is not equal to RHS. You should verify this. This is given. B part. A equal to minus 10, B is 1, C is 1. We have to substitute all value in this. A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided. See this. B part. A is minus 10, B is 1, C is 1. So we have to verify A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay. So put A equal to minus 10, B equal to 1 and C equal to 1. A is minus 10 divided by B plus C. B is 1, C is 1. Not equal, not equal. A is minus 10 divided by B is 1 plus A is minus 10 divided by C is 1. So minus 10 divided by 1, 1, 2 is not equal to minus 10 divided by 1 minus 10 and minus 10 divided by 1, that is minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 2 is not equal to minus 10 plus minus minus. 10 divided by 2, 5 plus minus minus is not equal to minus minus plus 10 plus 10, 20, which value is greater 10 to minus. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Okay. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. This is your homework. Same sign R plus opposite sign R minus. You have to use this formula. Okay. Then question number 4. Write 5 pair of integer AB. Such the integer means positive integer, negative integer, zeros. You have to include all integers such that A divided by B equal to minus 3. A divided by equal to minus 3 means this is given. If A divided by B, that is answer come minus 3. One such pair is, this is example, one such pair is 6 divided by 2 because A is 6, B is 2. So 6 divided by minus 2, 2 divided by 6, that is minus 3. So the 5 other pair AB such that A divided by B equal to minus 3, this is given. First 3 comma minus 1. You have to take first pair 3 comma minus 1 because 3 A divided by B is minus 1. So 3 divided by minus 1, that is minus 3. Answer minus 3 come. Second minus 3 divided by minus 3 comma 1 because minus 3 A divided by B, that is 1. 1 divided by minus 3, answer come minus 3. 9 comma 3 because 9 is A and minus 3 is B. So 9 divided by minus 3, that is minus 3 answer. Minus 9 comma 3 because A is minus 9, B is 3. So A is minus 9 divided by B is minus, B is 3 equal to minus 3. Minus 12 comma 4 because 12 is A, B is 4. So 12 divided by 4 equal to minus. So all answer come in minus 3 come. Okay. So A divided by B equal to minus 3. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreased at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? So temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. In 12 temperature is 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decrease means minus. At the rate of 2 degrees Celsius, it is minus. Until midnight, midnight means at night 12 o'clock. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be the temperature at midnight? You have to find the time at 8 degrees Celsius and midnight time. Initial temperature, that is 12 noon equal to 10 degrees Celsius. 12 noon, that is 10 degrees Celsius. Above 0 means positive sign. Change in temperature per hour minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus means decreases means minus 2 degree. So temperature at 1 p.m. 12 after 12, that is 1 p.m. in 10 degree minus 2 degree, that is 8 degree. Temperature at 2 degree. Temperature at 2 p.m. After that 1, it 2 p.m. that is 8 degree minus 2 degree that is 60 degree. Temperature at 3 p.m. 60 degree minus 2 degree. You have to minus 2 degree all temperature, that is 4 degree. Temperature at 4 degree 4 p.m. 4 degree minus 2 degree Celsius, it will become 2 degree Celsius. Temperature at 5 p.m. 2 degree minus 2 degree, that will become 0 degree Celsius. Temperature at 6 p.m. 0 degree and minus 2 degree, that will minus 2 degree Celsius. Temperature at 7 p.m. minus 2 degree minus 2 degree, that will minus 4 degree Celsius. Temperature at 8 p.m. minus 4 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius equal to minus 6 degree Celsius. Temperature at 9 p.m. minus 6 degree minus 2 degree minus 8 degree Celsius. So this question, at what time would the temperature be 8 degree Celsius below 0? Below 0 means 8 degree minus 8 degree. So answer temperature at that time 9 p.m. the temperature is minus 8 degree. Second part, what would be the temperature at midnight? Midnight means at night 12 o'clock. So temperature at after 9 10 p.m. minus 8 degree minus 2, that is minus 10 degree. Temperature at 11 p.m. minus 10 degree minus 2 degree minus 12 degree. And temperature at 12 p.m. midnight means minus 12 degree minus 2 degree Celsius equal to minus 14 degree Celsius. Therefore the temperature midnight will be 14 degree below. Either you write 14 degree below 0 or you write minus 14 degree Celsius. See this question is very important. Okay, answer number 5. See this. In this question, temperature given 12 noon, temperature at 12 noon equal to 10 degree Celsius. And change in temperature mean, what is the change? Same change is there, that it decreases at the rate of 2 degree Celsius, 2 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius. Okay, so temperature 12. So temperature at 1 p.m. 12, after that 12 1, so 10 degree minus 2 degree Celsius, it will become minus 8 degree Celsius. 10 minus 2, 8 degree. So temperature at 2 p.m. 8 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, this is 6 degree Celsius. 2 p.m. Temperature at 3 p.m. 6 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, that is 4 degree Celsius. Temperature at 4 p.m. 4 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, that is 2 degree Celsius. Temperature at 5 p.m. 2 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, it will become 0 degree Celsius. Temperature at 6 p.m. 0 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, plus minus minus, and which value is greater? 2. So it will become minus 2 degree Celsius. Temperature at 7 p.m. minus 2 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, minus minus plus, that is 2 plus 2 4. Which value is greater? 2 or 2 with sign minus. Temperature at 8 p.m. minus 4 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, plus minus minus plus, 6 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6. Which value is greater? 4, means minus sign, so minus 6 degree Celsius. Temperature at 9 p.m. minus 6 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, 6 plus 2 8 degree Celsius, minus minus plus, which value is greater? 6, minus sign, so minus 8 degree Celsius. So question is there, at what time would the temperature be 8 degree below 0? So this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, this is positive sign. Above 0 means positive sign, and below 0 means negative sign, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on. So question is there, what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? 0 below 0 means minus 8 degrees Celsius. So answer is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Which time? 9 p.m. So second question is, what would be the temperature at midnight? Midnight means at night 12 p.m. So temperature at 9 p.m. After that temperature at 10 pm. 10 pm is minus 8 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius. So minus minus plus. So 10 degree Celsius. So temperature at 11 pm. Minus 10 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius, that is minus 12 degree Celsius. Temperature at 12 pm. This is 12 pm midnight. 12 Celsius minus 2, that is minus 14 degree Celsius. So temperature, either you write 14 degree Celsius below zero at midnight, or you write minus 14 degree Celsius at midnight. Below zero means minus 14 degree. Okay. Then question number 6. In a class test, +3 marks are given for every correct answer. In correct answer, +3 marks or positive number, and -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. -2 marks you have to given in every incorrect answer, and no marks for not attempting any question. If children are not attempting any question, you got no marks. Okay. Then first question, Radhika scored 20 marks if she has got 12 correct answer. How many question has she attempted incorrect? Radhika got 20 marks if she has got 12 marks every correct answer. Every correct answer he got 12 correct answer. How many question has she attempted incorrectly? Second, Mohini scores -5 marks in his test though she has got 7 correct answer. How many question has she attempted incorrectly? In previous question, means in exercise 1.3, question given how many marks you have to score. In that question, how many question you have to attempt incorrectly or correctly. Okay. So solution is mark obtained for one right answer is, that is +3. If any children has correct answer, it will given +3 marks, one right answer. Mark obtained for one wrong answer -2. Okay. So first mark score for Radhika, that is 20. Radhika scored 20 marks. Radhika scored 20 marks. Okay. Mark obtained for 12 correct answer. If she has got 12 correct answer, 12 correct answer means 12 multiplied by 3, because 12 correct answer and 1 correct answer multiplied by 3 and 12 correct answer means multiplied by 12. So 12 3 is 36 marks. So 12 correct answer means 33 marks. Mark obtained for incorrect answer. So rest there is incorrect answer. So total score minus mark obtained for 12 correct, and total score 20 minus 36. So 20 minus 36, that is minus 16. Minus mean negative, mark mean wrong answer, minus 16. So minus 16 and one wrong answer is -2. So one wrong answer is -2. Thus number of correct answer -16 divided by -2. 16 divided by -2 means 2 8 is 16. So C attempt by 8 question wrongly. Okay. Second, Mohini score -5 marks in this test. He score only -5 in this test. Though she has got 7 correct answer, how many question has she attempted incorrectly? So mark obtained by Mohini -5. Mark obtained for 7 correct answer, that is 7 into 3, that is 21. 7 correct answer means 1 correct answer multiplied by 3. So 7 correct answer multiplied by 3 into 7, that is 21. Mark obtained for incorrect answer, that is total score minus mark obtained for 12 correct answer. So total score, that is Mohini total score, that is -5. Mohini total score, that is -5, and mark obtained for 12 correct answer -20. To -5 minus 21, minus minus plus 21 plus 5, 26, which value is greater 21, and minus sign comes. So mark obtained for one wrong answer -2. So 26 divided by -2, so that is 13. So therefore C attempt 13 question wrong. Question number 7. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent start from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach -350 meter? Descent mean decreasing order. Okay. So distance descended is denoted by a negative integer. Negative integer in minus sign. Initial height 10 meter, that is 10 meter. Final depth minus 350 meter, it is given minus 350 meter. So one thing you should remember that discant mean negative sign. Discant into a mineshaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. So discant minus 6 meter per minute. But if the discant started from 10 meter above the ground level, above the ground mean positive sign and below the ground level means negative sign. If question comes 10 meter below the ground level, you should take minus sign, but above the ground level you should take positive sign. And discant mean minus. Total distance to be discanted by the elevator minus 350 meter, minus means discant, and plus 10. So minus 350 minus plus minus 10 equal to minus 360 meter. Okay. Time taken by the elevator to descend. Time taken by the elevator to descend minus 6 meter equal to 1 minute. 1 minute he should mine 6 meter. So time taken by the elevator to descend minus 360 meter equal to minus 360 divided by minus 6. Minus 360 divided by minus, cancel minus plus, 6 divided by 360 divided by 6, that is 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 hour. So 1 minute he should cover 6 meter. So 60 minutes he should cover 360 meter. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can call me to clear your doubt. Okay.